Hey everybody, HVAC repair guy here. I have 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor. I also have a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I like to look at equipment based on engineering and field performance. Today we are looking at two heat pump options, the Maytag PSH4BF and the Thermal Zone TZP14AY. Both units come with louvered coil guards to protect the aluminum fins from hail and debris. Maytag includes a factory-installed compressor sound blanket, while Thermal Zone does not in the spec data I have. That extra insulation on the Maytag helps dampen mechanical sound at the source. Heat pumps are rated by Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF, for winter efficiency. The Maytag PSH4BF is rated at an 8.1 HSPF, and the Thermal Zone TZP14AY is rated at 7.6 HSPF. That higher rating on the Maytag means it will extract more heating capacity per kilowatt hour in cold weather. Both systems handle summer cooling efficiently, but in colder climates, the 0.5 HSPF difference gives Maytag an operational edge. Both units use a two-speed compressor to ramp down on mild days and run high when needed. Two-stage operation improves humidity control, steadier temperatures, and reduces start-stop wear. Maytag uses a two-speed condenser fan motor, while Thermal Zone relies on a single-speed fan. A two-speed fan helps maintain head pressure and lowers sound when running in low stage. Both use standard heat pump defrost boards to monitor coil temperature and clear frost as needed. Manufacturer spec sheets list noise as decibel ratings, with Maytag at 75 to 78 dB and Thermal Zone at about 73 to 74 dB. Those levels are roughly equivalent to a dishwasher running or a vacuum in the next room. Maytag Residential HVAC was built by Nortec Global HVAC, which was acquired by Rheem Manufacturing. Thermal Zone is a private label brand manufactured by Rheem for United Refrigeration with production in Mexico. Wholesale and distributor pricing varies by tonnage, with Maytag listing between about $1,600 and $2,800. Thermal Zone online distributor prices range from roughly $2,600 for a 2.5 ton to $3,900 plus dollars. Equipment-only pricing does not include indoor air handlers, line sets, labor, or contractor markup for complete installation. Maytag offers a 12-year limited parts warranty, including compressor and unit replacement if the compressor fails. Thermal Zone offers a 10-year parts and compressor warranty, but 0 years of unit replacement coverage. My honest recommendation is the Maytag PSH4BF. The higher 8.1 HSPF two-speed condenser fan, factory compressor blanket, and 12-year replacement warranty make it the superior long-term investment.